and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make a cake, chocolate cake. So we have all ingredients to make the cake. And here's my mommy. First we're gonna put the dry ingredient. Let the ball here and put this flour beside me.
Okay.
Now it's time to put
Now we are going to put
some
cocoa powder.
cocoa powder.
Careful. Put it all.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next, you're gonna mix it carefully.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it carefully. It's starting to smell good. I'm gonna mix it all yummy. Let me mix those two. Smells beautiful.
Okay. Now we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, put it
Okay, that's enough.
all. Yeah.
Now it's time to mix it.
No. Now we are going to put salt. Show me.
All.
Yeah, all. 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay.
And the more ingredients is this.
This is baking powder.
Baking.
1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix.
Now it's time to mix.
Yeah. Yes. Mix it all.
We are mixing together. Ooh, this one side is missing. It's smelling just quite beautiful. Now, what do we need next?
We're gonna take this bowl and set aside. Okay.
We gonna take this bowl and set aside.
Now take this bowl.
Now take this bowl,
Crack the egg.
crack the egg.
Yeah. Okay. You use this one. Okay. Use this one. Okay. I'll help you. You crack the egg. Yay.
Yes. Okay, let's put the egg on the side.
Yay.
Yay! Look at this ball, squishy.
Okay.
Put the yolk inside the ball. This yolk.
Yeah. Crack another one.
Can you help me, mommy?
Sure, I can. Good.
And another piece of egg.
Oopsie. It's okay. Yeah.
And can I put
Okay.
another one?
Yeah, I help you, okay?
Next, the last one.
Yeah, the last one. Okay.
Trying to put it inside the ball. Maybe it's too hard. There!
Okay.
Okay, there are 3 done. My hands are sticky now.
It's okay.
Okay, put the last one inside, mommy.
Okay.
Next, we need to put something else.
No, we're gonna beat this egg.
We're gonna beat the egg white. Let's start.
Now put yolk 1 by 1, okay?
One by one.
1, okay. Mix it. Mix it.
tables of yogurt.
and half cup oil. Put it. Okay.
Oh, half
Yeah.
cup oil.
Yeah. Put it.
Oh.
Okay. And 1 cup of warm milk. You do. Okay. Okay. Now put 1 cup of warm milk.
Warm cake.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, mommy, we did our best. For
Yeah.
the other side.
1 cup of warm milk. Yeah. Good. Now mix it.
How?
Yeah. Mix
Which
it.
one? It will be so
Yeah, it's okay. You do like that. Like that. See.
Can I try? Can I try, mommy?
Okay, done. Okay.
I don't mix
Now,
it. Now what do we
Now-
put?
I'm gonna tell you.
Cocoa powder?
Yeah, put the. Wait.
Put them all?
No, not all. Put dry ingredient and mix.
Now it's time to mix.
Yeah, mix. Carefully. Let me do it. Let me teach you how.
Oh,
Yeah.
like that. Can I
It's okay.
mix?
We're gonna use the spatula, okay?
Oopsies.
Okay.
We're gonna use a spatula. What do we do with this?
Hold it.
Now what do we do?
Wait.
We mix it.
Yeah.
We
I'm
put some
gonna
more cocoa powder.
Yeah. Carefully. First we're gonna mix like that.
Okay, let me try.
Wait.
Let's give it a good mix. Let me mix it.
It's
up.
okay. Now we're gonna beat this mixture for 1 minute. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Let me show you.
Oh my god. Can I try? I didn't mix it. Let's start the meter. We're gonna put it somewhere.
Okay. Do you wanna taste?
I want it.
Wait a moment. Okay?
Love. What are we gonna do with this ball?
Okay, you taste it.
I can take a little bite.
How's that?
Perfect.
Okay. Okay, it's perfect now.
Mommy, what are we gonna do with this ball?
Okay, we're gonna put this mixture in cake pan, okay?
Can I do it?
Yeah, carefully, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna put it.
Carefully. See. This is so delicious.
This is so tasty and it's watering my mouth.
Yeah, can you hold it?
Oh, so hard.
Okay, scrap the ball.
I'm excited to eat this whole ball.
Okay.
Now we're gonna put this on the oven.
Yes,
So
we're
it-
gonna put this cake
On-
pan in the oven.
Oh,
Okay?
what was that? Oh, my mom is gonna put it in the oven so it makes warm and it's yummy to
Yeah,
eat.
to bake, okay?
Too big.
Yeah.
Can you see inside?
180 degree for
And
40 minutes, okay? Let's
40.
wait.
Let's wait for it makes yummy. So guys, the cake is ready. Let's put it out.
Let's take it out.
Let's take it out. So my mom is taking out. It's ready to eat. First we have to decorate it.
No, let it cool down first.
And
First we
then
need to check.
how many?
Wait. Let me insert the toothpick inside.
Toothpick.
Oh, it comes out clean. It's mean it's baked from inside. See, everybody?
Can I try to put it inside?
Be careful, okay?
It's a shot.
Yeah. Yeah, if it comes out clean, it's mean the cake is baked.
So guys, our cake bunch is ready and my mommy will decorate later. I hope you like my cake recipe. I made it for our New Year celebration. I hope you like it. Okay, bye-bye.